Hello, everybody. Hope you all had a great day. Let's go over what happened today. We got the job report before market opens, and ES went down all the way to. For you guys who don't know, here I have the charts Thinkorswim 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, and weekly. And you can see here in the morning it came down and touched 4006, and then it starts bouncing. um, if you notice, it's really interesting. This is cheddar flow, and let me type SPX. When market before market opens and after the job report, you can see here that some people start buying 4075 calls. Look at this. 47, how many people bought 4075 at around $2, and then it went almost to 12. So it went almost to 12, and it closed, I believe. It speaks close for it closed almost like around 2, but the high of the day was 12. So when you see something like this, it means like big players, they're expecting a bounce today. So you can see all the way before open they loaded up 4075, which is the magnet level on SPX, and we got it 4080 today. um, it was very interesting day. We got a bounce from open, as you can see here. um, Let me just adjust this one. Okay, so SPY gives you the most accurate because it has extended hours. And the SPY, we got golden cross. At the beginning of the open we got a little bit, some names start bouncing, but SPY, the most interesting part was end of the day, almost at 245, when it starts breaking out. um, when it starts breaking out here and non-stop runs, you can see here the volume starts rising. I alerted in the service. And the 15 min, it got golden cross at 10:45, but it still was a yo-yo. And the 30 min got a golden cross here, and you can see here the MACD at 1 o'clock got a golden cross, and it starts getting bullish. You can see here the TTM is squeezed, the yellow is turning to dark blue, and then at um, at 2:30 we got some big jump. When this comes and the bar starts rising up, the volume is on the rise, you see all the names start jumping. That's when you want to grab a call and enjoy it. But it was expecting going higher, but it cools down around. I alerted 405, it passes, 407 comes, and then after that it went higher a little bit to the target level of SPX 4075. You can see here I posted in the service 4075, 4074.35 to be exact. It hit it and pulled back, and we had another rise up, which was interesting. The interesting thing is that I posted in the service that once the 1 min get a golden cross, we can have another jump. And at 350 algo time, we got another golden cross on 1 min, and boom, we got another jump, like two, almost 1.5 points on the SPY. Apple was very interesting. End of the day, this was the one of the names that was holding the market all day down. You can see here everything was just going up, but this one was holding it back. It was not jumping. But this was a big signal. When Apple started rising, it rise from 146 boom to 147. And Amazon was a very weak name. It's still a weak name. I'm bearish on this name because the 4 hours dead cross confirmed. Nvidia had a nice jump too. Baba was very interesting. As you can see here at the open, just look how beautiful. When it starts, this was a very beautiful. Let me bring the open. There you go. Okay, so when it jumped, I posted in the service 87 passed, next one is 90, boom, 87 to 90. These green bars are the most green lines are the most important ones. And as you can see here, when it opened, the 1530 all gave the golden cross, and that's a very bullish signal. And boom, it went up to all the way to 90. And then here we got another golden cross on the 5 min. It gave another jump there, but end of the day it didn't join the run up. Bidu, same thing. It was very bullish at the open. I posted the levels in the service. 111 passed, next one 113. It's possible next one to come 116, but for now it's flattening. Netflix, it was very strong name last few days. I posted it actually on I believe on Wednesday I'm sorry, on Tuesday that this is gonna jump, and we had like 2-3 days jump. And because it was a strong name, even though it pulls back, it has a chance to jump. So you can see here when it opened, first had a jump in the morning, then it was inside box. Once it broke the box here, 314 and 310, it broke it, boom, from 314 went all the way to it break this 317 level, and 321 reached. And then end of the day joined the run 2, it touched down here and then went to the top of the range, 321. Meta, I'm very bullish on this name. You can see here the weeklies, golden cross, daily, 4 hours, all upward. And here had a nice ramp. The 15 and 30 was already bullish. And you can see here the 5 min when it golden cross, even before all the market jumps, this had a ramp up from 122, went to 123 and a half, and then it pulled back, and then market here at 245 jump, then this one joined the 2 and get almost close to 124. I posted these levels like I think 2 days ago in my Twitter. Tesla again, that one was very nice jump too. End of the day, 4 hour was dead crossed, but because of this jump up, it got diverted up. So we'll see what happened on Monday. I'm a little bit bearish on Tesla because of the weekly is still TTM squeeze is very weak. Microsoft, nice jump there too again. You can see here, morning got a jump. It established a box here, boom, broke the box, jump up. And Google, same thing. All of them the same thing. Establish a box, jump. When all the market jumps, you just want to grab whatever you can. AMD, same. Let me see what other names. ENPH was very interesting in the morning. It opened down, it was actually very red. When it opened, the 15 and 30 got a golden cross. You can see here 15 and 30, you can see here MACD was very interesting. It went from 314 to 333 level that I have, and I'll tell you what the next level I have is 349. TLT was very interesting. Yesterday was a very bullish close, and then today you can see here it got to 106 yesterday, because the more DXY falls, the more TLT goes up. And it opened red today actually, but then since open it starts just ramping up. You can see here it came down, it was inside the box, then when the 15 and 30 got a golden cross on MACD, boom, it was just a non-stop runner all the way down to the top. What else we got here? MSOS was interesting too. Veed stock. LMT was very interesting. They have a show today, I think at 4 p.m. I don't know, in West Coast. So that one I alerted to. When they open, you can see here the 15 and 30. The 4 hour was dead cross from yesterday, but then it got a golden cross right at open, and all the 15 and 30 was upward, and they went all the way making new all-time high. You can see here at the 5 min, it didn't dead cross until here, like at 12 o'clock, and then it pulled back end of the day. I mean, it stays flat in the range. NOC, same thing. LMT. So these you want to watch it next week. Maybe the LMT made a new all-time high, but NOC not yet. So well, maybe it does on Monday. What else we got? FTX, suddenly got a big volume coming in. That was a big alert. And after that, you can see here, even if you miss this jump, let's say here, okay, you miss this jump, you wait until you get a golden cross on 1 minute, but you don't grab it here. And then once it breaks this level 181 and market ramping up, you can join this run up to all the way to a new high of the day. What else? That's pretty much it. So just want to show you the good setups that happened today, and you can join my service. I alert real time in the service, target levels and names, and pre-market I post analysis and everything. Hope you all have a great weekend. Thank you.